Welcome to Math's Zone African Motives. In this video, we'll explore our solar system, the sun, the planets, moons, and other fascinating objects that share our cosmic neighborhood. Let's dive in. Section 1, the Solar System Overview. The universe is unimaginably big, but our solar system is just one small part of it. At the center is the sun, with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets orbiting around it. Today we'll learn why the sun is so important and take a tour of all 8 planets. Section 2, the sun. The sun is a medium-sized star, but to us it looks huge because it's so close to Earth. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun produces heat and light through nuclear reactions. This is when hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium, releasing enormous energy. The sun has different parts: the core, where nuclear reactions take place, sunspots, which are cooler dark spots, solar flares, which are explosions of gas, and prominences, which are giant loops of gas on its surface. Section 3, the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system, divided into 2 groups: inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Outer gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is closest to the sun. Daytime temperatures reach 427 degrees Celsius, but at night it freezes down to minus 180 degrees Celsius because it has almost no atmosphere to trap heat. Venus. Venus is covered with thick clouds of carbon dioxide. This traps heat, raising temperatures up to 471 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet. Earth. Our home planet. Earth is just right, with oxygen, water, and temperatures between minus 40 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. That's why it's the only planet known to support life. Mars is like a cold desert dot. Its thin carbon dioxide atmosphere cannot hold liquid water, and it has red, dusty landscapes. Jupiter. The biggest planet is Jupiter. It's a gas giant with massive storms, including the famous Great Red Spot that has raged for centuries. Saturn. Saturn is well known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock particles. Uranus. Uranus is unique because it spins on its side. It's very cold, with temperatures dropping to minus 216 degrees Celsius. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet, dark, icy, and windy, with temperatures around minus 218 degrees Celsius. It takes 165 years to orbit the sun once. Section 4, dwarf planets. Beyond Neptune, there are dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, Ceres, and Make. These are smaller than planets and cannot clear their orbit of other space objects. Section 5, moons and other objects. Planets also have moons. Earth has 1, Mars has 2, and gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn have over 60 moons each. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, full of rocky objects. Sometimes smaller rocks break away. These are meteoroids. If they enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, we call them meteors or shooting stars. If they survive the fall, they're called meteorites. Section 6, comets. Comets are icy bodies that travel around the sun. They have 3 main parts: the head, a glowing coma, and a long tail that always points away from the sun. As comets pass the sun, they lose ice and dust, leaving a beautiful glowing trail. Section 7, shape of the solar system and gravity. The solar system looks like a flat disk. At its center, the sun spins, and all the planets and objects orbit around it in the same direction. What holds everything in place? Gravity. Gravity is the natural force that pulls objects toward each other. The more mass something has, the stronger its gravity. That's why the sun, being the heaviest object in the solar system, keeps all the planets orbiting around it. Section 8, the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. Beyond Neptune, there's a region filled with icy and rocky objects called the Kuiper belt. Scientists believe there may be billions of these frozen bodies. Even farther out is the mysterious Oort cloud, a huge spherical shell of icy objects surrounding the solar system. Scientists think many comets come from the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud when their orbits bring them close to the sun. Section 9, Earth's special position. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun, and so far the only known planet that supports life. One reason Earth is so special is its perfect distance from the sun. If it were closer, Earth would be too hot. If it were farther away, it would be a frozen world. Instead, Earth's average temperatures stay between -40 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, perfect for life. Section 10. Sunlight and the food chain. The sun provides more than just light and warmth. It fuels life on Earth. Plants use sunlight in photosynthesis to make food and oxygen. Animals, including humans, depend on plants for food and oxygen. In this way, the sun drives the entire food chain. Section 11. Water on Earth. Another reason life exists on Earth is water. Earth is the only known planet where water naturally exists in all three states: liquid, solid, and gas. The water cycle moves water around the planet. Evaporation turns liquid into vapor. Condensation forms clouds. Precipitation brings rain or snow. Runoff returns water to rivers, lakes, and oceans. Section 12. Oxygen and the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, but about 21% is oxygen, and that's vital for life. Oxygen helps us breathe and gives energy to our cells. Long ago, Earth had little oxygen. Simple life forms, like blue-green algae, started producing oxygen through photosynthesis. Over time, oxygen levels rose, allowing more complex life, including humans, to evolve. Section 13, quick quiz, test yourself. Let's test what you've learned so far. 1. Put these in order from biggest to smallest: the solar system, the sun, Jupiter, Earth, and an asteroid. 2. Which star is at the center of the solar system? 3. Can you name the 8 planets in order from the sun? 4. What's the difference between an asteroid and a comet? And finally, why is Earth the perfect home for life? Our solar system is held together by the power of gravity, driven by the sun's energy, and home to Earth, the only known planet where life exists. From the food chain to water to oxygen, every part works together to make life possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science adventures.